Previously on my extreme condo makeover.
There's water coming from your unit.
Really happy with the color of the floors. And then the tragedy happened. Holy, there's no floor! My condo got flooded again. Literally all of the flooring is gone. Okay, let me just process this for a second. Hello! Welcome back to my condo tragedy series, honestly, at this point. I am currently sitting in the car in the parking lot of my condo. I haven't seen it in a couple of weeks because just trying to figure out the flooding situation, the insurance. I am happy to say that all of the financials are figured out. Not to go into too much detail, but I definitely have taken some hits. A lot of you guys told me to look into getting a lawyer about just all of the water issues in the building, and I am looking into it. I'm gonna deal with it. I was reading all of your comments and a lot of people were saying like it's kind of bad vibes, like bad omen that so many bad things are happening, and I kind of agree. At this point, I'm just trying to make the most of what's been going on and trying to stay positive, but after everything that's happened, I really don't know if I should keep the condo, like for real. I'm thinking that eventually down the line I will sell it. I don't know when. I obviously do want to live in it for a good while because I worked so hard in it, spent so much money on it. It's so close to being completed. But anyway, the reason why I am here at the condo today is because I am here to check on the progress, because allegedly the flooring has been installed. I don't know when this video is going up. Stuff might be a little out of order because different updates are happening in different rooms. So I like to organize this series into different rooms so I can keep track of what I've uploaded and also you guys can keep track of what's been happening. I'm gonna go check on the flooring today. I'm also filming a separate, I think it's gonna be a separate video of me like unboxing a bunch of stuff for my bedroom. I'm so excited. Yeah, let's go check out the floor. I am now outside of my condo, about to go inside. I'm whispering because the neighbors who flooded my unit are home. Go inside. I'm excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! It's the exact same floor, but it's actually in here. It looks so good. Wait, look how good it looks outside. It's so vibey. Oh. It's like a gloomy day, but I think it's so vibey. Wow! Love. Look at the floor. Okay, let me turn this light on. We have floor again. I repeat, we have floor again. It's kind of fitting with the fire truck noises in the background. I'm excited that it looks exactly the same as before because, you know, I guess I did take it for granted to have floor. If you have a floor, do not take that shit for granted because there are points in your life where you may not have a floor. Oh, also the baseboards are in. That's something new that I have not seen yet, so that is a new development. Honestly, I will say that the floors do look better than the first time. Like they are a lot more even. Like over here, there used to be a gap between this ledge and here, but now it's just one solid piece. It's pretty straight. Oh my god, not my fly being unzipped the whole entire time. Hello! I am not open for business like that. So I was gonna film my whole unboxing video with the bed frame and mattress and stuff. The mattress is downstairs. I have to go retrieve, but the floors are still really dusty. I don't think I can film that today, which is kind of an issue because I need to submit this video. I'm like, should I just film it? Also, look at my outfit. Tell me it's cute. Please. Is it giving librarian? All right, here's what I've decided. First of all, I'm gonna go pick up the mattress from downstairs and bring it up so that it's just like in my unit. But I'm gonna come back next week to do the unboxing stuff because if I unbox it, my mattress and everything is gonna be exposed when they're cleaning. There's still a lot of dust like on the floor and on the walls that I just don't want to be on my stuff. Obviously, like there's still, oh, you can't see. You can't see anything. There's still a bunch of stuff on the floor and like the walls are still dirty. I am just going to wait for more things to be completed. I still am obsessed with this lighting. I think it's so good. But yeah, the flooring looks so good, and just like looking at my reflection in the window, I don't know why it's so cool to me. I remember why I wanted to live in a condo now. It's because I love high rises and just like the feeling of an apartment. Oh. No, I do really like living in an apartment. This is what the kitchen looks like. Still a mess. At least the flooring is done. Oh, let's look at the storage unit, which is the main culprit. Also looks pretty good in here. Oh, there's no light. It's all completed. Got the baseboards on. Cool. Listen, sometimes to make it work, you just gotta make it work. You just gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, oh my god, I look so egg-like. She looks like an egg. Alright, I finally got the mattress in, and oh my god, thank god. The two nicest girls offered to help me in the lobby. You know what I think is interesting is there were plenty of men who walked by, but the only people who offered to help were girls. Now, what does that say? It's up for interpretation, but I think the message is very clear. Very thankful for them. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave these in the corner right here because I don't want to open them yet because they're just gonna get dirty. But I am very excited. That was very fast shipping. I'll test it out though, see if I like it. I've always liked mattresses in a box, like the foamy kind of mattress without the springs. Let me know if this is like a common experience growing up Asian, but my parents only allowed us to sleep on like spring mattresses that were really hard because it's apparently better for your back and for growing. I don't know if that's necessarily true, but I mean, I kind of believe it. The logic kind of checks out. But anyway, now that I'm finished growing, I just like to have a foam mattress, you know, something more comfortable. I will get back to you. Bro, I'm dying. More updates to come. Now that I am in the kitchen, let me just give you a kitchen update. I decided I am actually gonna get the contractors to do a backsplash, even though I am like kind of disappointed about the countertop. At this point, I'm just like, let's just finish. Honestly, it looks good enough, like it's not bad, but for the backsplash, I wanted something marbly. Now the actual like really dark veiny marble pieces are really expensive. I wanted something that looked like kind of one long slab, which those are very expensive. Next best option is to just get a tile as big as possible. So originally they showed me an option that was like 12 by 24, which is 1 foot by 2 feet. But I was like, I just feel like that's too small. Like there would be too many gaps in between. So it would be like one piece here, one piece here, one piece here. So you would see the gaps in between, which I don't want. So I was like, let's just look for the biggest possible slab, which you can cut custom slabs from sheets of marble. But again, those are expensive and I'm trying to spend not that much money on this rental because I'm already tanked in the financial department. I really don't need this to be like super luxurious. I just want it to look good for the value. You know what I mean? Like I don't want to invest too much into it because this is not my final home. It's not going to be like my dream home. I do plan on potentially renting it out in the future. So I also do want it to be kind of a safe aesthetic for most people. This is my reasoning, okay? Please don't come after me. I know a lot of you guys have a lot of stuff to say about my design choices, but just this is what I'm doing, okay? I'm so exasperated right now. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is for the backsplash tile, I chose something that was 2 feet by 2 feet, so 24 by 24 inches, and it is a marbly texture. It's not like super dark veiny, but you know what? I'm just gonna cut my losses. I'm like, good enough. It should look good. There will still be lines in between. That's kind of inevitable unless I want to spend a lot of money. I think it'll be good. And then underneath the cabinets, I requested that they install like LED light strips because I've always thought that looked really cool. That's the plan. I think they're supposed to come and install it in a couple of days. So that's exciting. I'm hoping that by then I can show you some updates in the kitchen and also do some unboxing. That is the vibe. Peace. Hello all, it's me again. It's about a week later and I have updates for you. The last time I checked in, the kitchen wasn't updated and we have floors, which is amazing. We now have kitchen updates and other updates that I will get to in a second. But the kitchen update is that we now have backsplash tile, which is exciting. So let's take a look at it. It basically is exactly what I asked for, but for some reason it's like not tickling my fancy. Like, they did a really good job at it, like it looks great, but I think I realized that like I can't just make everything white and it'll turn out looking good. I actually have to incorporate some colors and like darker elements. This is like a personal issue that I have to work on because I can't just like paint everything white and like use all white fixtures. It is looking a little bit sterile and like hospital-like, but I plan on putting in cabinet handles that are black. So hopefully that will balance it out a little bit, but if it's looking too monochromatic still, I might switch it out to gold, but that's like something I can easily do in the future, like to change it out, but I feel like black will be fine. I also will just incorporate more decor elements that have more color, and like I'm sure that once I'm actually using the kitchen, it'll look less sterile because it'll be dirty. I'm not putting it out to the universe that I'm gonna have a dirty kitchen, but you know what I mean. So that's what the kitchen is looking like. Honestly, like not my favorite room so far. I don't know like if I should say disappointed or just like, I don't know, a lot of things are not really going according to plan, but I am trying not to get caught up in like minute things that I probably won't care that much about when I'm actually living here, because I filmed the unboxing and like set up my whole bedding situation and it looks really good, but that's a whole separate video. I actually filmed it before the kitchen was finished, so it's like all out of order. That's the update. Stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be really fun, and yeah, I'm just really glad that I have a floor now. Blessed be the fruit. See you guys next time for the next adventure. Bye.